Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Blackview A100 smartphone. So I just got this from Amazon here. It came up to about $250 Canadian with taxes and shipping. So just want to open it up and see how this goes. In one of my later videos I'll be making a comparison for the picture and video quality between the Blackview A100 and the Umidigi A9 Pro. So this is the A9 Pro here, the Umidigi. I find that the picture quality, especially when you're in motion, tends to be very shaky. So I'm hoping that this A100 Blackview would be a lot better than that. So let's see what it comes in here. Let's just open this up here. I found that in the past with the A9 Pro, it was very difficult to do any type of video because, again, it was very shaky. It doesn't seem to have any stability to it. So, just looking here, this Blackview comes with Android 11. It's a 6.67 inch screen. This one has 6 gigabytes of RAM and I believe 128 gigabytes of ROM memory, 4,680 milliamps battery, and hopefully the camera quality is going to be good. It's 8 megapixels for the front, and the rear is 12 megapixels with 8 plus 8 megapixels there. So let's just open this up here. That's the front of it. So just opening this here. There's the cellophane, taking that out. And let's just see what we have on the inside here. So just sliding this out. So there's the cell phone itself. Let's take that out. I decided to get the blue. It's nice. It has a case, a plastic see-through case here. It also has a screen protector, a thin screen protector. On here just gives you the particulars again, 6.67 inch with 8 gigabyte RAM, 128 gigabyte ROM. Let's see what we have in the package over here. So this comes with the slot opener here, the pin. So I'll put this over here. Comes also here with the user manual, and this user manual is pretty thick. It'll tell you all how to insert it and so forth. It comes in various languages as well. Put that over there. Comes with a USB charging cable, and this is a USB-C. So the Umidigi, my old phone, the Umidigi A9 Pro, also uses the USB-C recharging cable as well. So I'll be able to reuse that. And the adapter here. So that's the complete set. That's what you get. So I'm going to be setting this up, and then hopefully, like I said, in one of my other videos that I'll be doing shortly, I'll be doing a comparison between the video and picture quality between the Umidigi A9 Pro and the Blackview A100. As you can see already in the comparison, this A9 Pro A100 Blackview is slightly bigger as well. So I'm really having high hopes that the picture quality and the video quality will turn out well. And stay tuned to this channel to see that comparison. Please click on that subscribe button. Leave any comments that you think that if you have any opinions or if you thought that I missed out on anything, I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, take care.